Hi everyone, welcome back to Hometime XYZ's Natasha, and today we're making almond biscotti. I felt like a little snack, so this is quick, it's easy. Okay everyone, so they're finished. Look at this, they're crispy. Look at that, right? And now, the best part, you can eat them just like this. They're good to go. Or you can add some toppings to it. So I have some almonds, some pecans, my favorite of course, and coconut, my other favorite. I have some hazelnut, I don't know about that, so we'll put that aside maybe for next time. And I have some Ross chocolate, no sugar added, and I'm just gonna put that in the microwave and melt it. You can use the chocolate chip if you have the chocolate chip, but I'm gonna use this one today, right? Any chocolate you have. So we're gonna melt this and then we're gonna dip it and eat it. Okay everyone, so we have our melted chocolate. So this is what we're gonna do now. Let's put this aside. I'm gonna put 2 straws here. Oops. And let's do our dipping. So it'd be nice if you had more chocolate and a deeper cup, of course. Then you can dip this properly. But you know what? We're gonna use what we have. Make it work. Look at that. And then, of course, I'm gonna start with my favorite, coconut. There we go. I'm just gonna put it here. And let's do another one. If you have maybe like a shot glass, might be a little bit easier to do this. And then let's do some almonds. These are toasted almonds. You can do raw almonds, you can do toasted, and maybe even smash them up a little bit more. There we go. And let's do this one. But you get the idea. Okay, everyone, so with the biscotti for my little snack today, I did my Ninja ice cream. And let's make a snack. So this is a quick and easy snack, right? And just add one of these to it. Look at that, you're set to go. Or 2. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. Share the video, subscribe. Hope you try this snack. I'm gonna enjoy this snack with the ice cream. It's yummy. I have my tea ready, of course. And guess what I did with the leftovers? So all the little drop-ins and the chocolate, I made myself a little snack that I'm going to enjoy. Thanks for your time. God bless you. Bye.